everyone, welcome again. This is Joshi's Online Study Hub and I Tushar Joshi welcomes you behalf of Omkar English Medium School. This is Standard 10th video, Standard 10th, chapter number 13 and 13.1 we have completed, and I hope you have seen that videos. If you haven't seen, then top side I button is given. On clicking I button you should see that video first and then you should see this video, because this video is volume part. Areas part we have completed. Okay, area of different shape, for example cylinder, for example sphere, that kind of areas we have find. The mixed area also we have found. It was 13.1, and now this is particular one more exercise, that is 13.2. Here total 4 exercises are there. So out of that 4 exercises, last two exercise 13.3 and 13.4 are removed. So now this is the last exercise you can consider for the 10th standard and for the special year of 2020. Then now this is the exercise where we have to find the volume of different kind of shapes. Here the first question, as you can see, solid in a shape of cone standing in a hemisphere with both their radius. See here radii is given. Okay, they have written radii. Okay, so radii means radius. Okay, so here as you can see, one minute, yes, so here as you can see a solid. Okay, here a solid shape is given. A cone, there is one kind of cone standing on a hemisphere. So as you can see here, this is the hemisphere. On the hemisphere one cone type shape is there. Now both their radii is equal to 1 centimeter and height of cone is equal to the radius. Okay, so this is obviously common radius is there. Okay, here common radius is there, and that is 1 centimeter, and the total height of cone is also 1 centimeter. So total height of object is obviously 1 plus 1 to how 2 will form, because here as you can see radius is 1, then here downside as you can see this part. Okay, so this part downside, that is also radius, and radius is same at everywhere. Okay, so this is the hemispherical part which 1 centimeter. Okay, we can say. And one more thing, here the conical part, the height of cone is also 1. So here we can consider height is 1, means h is equal to 1 and radius is equal to 1. So where it's required slant height, which is L, we can find, okay, using Pythagoras. So 1 square plus 1 square total is 2. Okay, so under root of 2 will come slant height using Pythagoras. Okay, when it's required. And now let us see the question what we have to find. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. Okay, means pi's value you people don't have to put, pi you have to put as it is. Okay, so now volume we have to find. So first of all, volumes formula you must know. One more thing, what is the difference between the area and volume? Then let me clarify one thing. Okay, if you are going to make some material, so how much material is required, it's called area. Means if you are going to make some object, some conical object you are trying to make, you are going to make some spherical object you are going to make, मतलब કે આ ટાઈપનો જે શેપ તમારે બનાવવો છે તો એ માટે જેટલું મટીરિયલ વપરાય it's called area. And in that material how much quantity we can fill, it's called volume. Okay, કે કેટલી વસ્તુ તમે એની અંદર ભરી શકો છો. So here how much quantity you can fill in this shape, here you can see, see in this shape how much quantity you can fill, it's called volume part. So that difference should be clear between area and volume. Okay, then here volume actually in two parts we will find. First, volume of, as you can see here, volume of triangle, sorry, volume of cone and volume of hemisphere. So actually volume of cone is pi r square h, as well as volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And let us see here. So 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h, because pi r square h is volume of cylinder. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So actually two types of calculation you people can do. Okay, first is pi, here what is common, whatever is common, that thing you can find here common, otherwise directly value you can put. Okay, then here as you can see, now let me zoom out these things. Okay, so as you can see, h, okay, h means height. For cone height is 1, so they have written here, see, let me zoom now, 1 by 3 as it is. Pi, value of pi you people don't have to put. Okay, pi will remain as it is. So pi as it is. R square, r is what, radius, radius is 1, so 1 square is 1 only, as well as h, h is height, height is 1, so again 1 plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, so same thing will remain. So now if you simplify, so here 1 square into 1, so that all will remain 1, so pi by 3 will come. First step pi by 3 plus second step 2 pi by 3, so 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3, 3 pi by 3, and 3 and 3 will be cancelled, so that pi centimeter cube will come. One more thing, now let me specially tell you that now unit will come pi by 3, sorry, unit will come centimeter cube. Now square will not come. Okay, centimeter square, that kind of unit will not come, cube will come, because this is the volume. Volume means the quantity multiply with itself 3 times. Okay, length, breadth and height, because volume means 3 dimension. Okay, length, breadth and height. So here volume will come in centimeter cube, and your final answer is pi centimeter cube. Okay, so that was your first question, and now let us go toward the second question. As you can see here, a Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends by using thin aluminum sheet. Okay, means one cylinder Rachel has to make, and the both of the end should be one kind of conical. So here actually figure we people have drawn. Here you can see, this is the figure, see, this is the conical shape at both the end and cylindrical part in middle. Now again back to point. The diameter of model is 3 centimeter, as you can see here. See here, this is 3 centimeter. Okay, this is 3 centimeter, and its length is 12 centimeter. Okay, the length is 12 centimeter. Here see the total length, here the below side, at bottom side, that is written, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, if each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, now see here separate height is given. Okay, separate type of height is given. The each cone has 2 centimeter. See here, so this cone is 2 centimeter. Here the left cone as well as the right cone is also 2 centimeter. So total height, okay, 2 plus 2. So the height of both of the cone, okay, total height is 4 centimeter. So now total length is 12 centimeter. Out of 12 centimeter to 2 centimeters to cone will remain. So effective length of cylinder will remain 8 centimeter here, as you can see. And now we have to find, see here in question what we have to find. Find the volume of air contained in the find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Okay, assume outer and inner diameter of the model to be nearly are same. Okay, actually when you people are using some material, so actually inner and outer diameters are different when you will come in 11th science and especially in 12th science. So using micrometer screw gauge and vernier calipers, you will find these things. Okay, the outer diameter is different and the inner diameter is different, but that much accuracy is not required right now. So that here the same diameter we have to consider, and we have to find the volume of total air content, means this object's total volume we have to find. Then now let me tell you how we can find here volume. So very simple thing is there. One cylindrical part is there. Okay, here in middle one cylindrical part is there and two cones are there. So two cones volume we have to find. Just right now we have find the volume of one cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So now here two cones are there. So 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. So actually 2 by 3 pi r square h plus this cylindrical parts volume we have to find, that is just pi r square h. So here as you can see, okay, 2 by 3 pi r square h and pi r square h. Now here h1 and h2 we have to write different, okay, because here height of cylinder, that is h1 you can consider, otherwise h2 you can consider, that is 8, and the height of cone, okay, which is h1 or h2, that is 2. So here you people have to write different h1 and h2, okay, that is your choice, h1 h2, otherwise h and h prime you can write, that is your choice. So if you see here, pi as it is r square, okay, so r is 3 by 2, radius here, okay, diameter is 3 here, as you can see diameter is 3. So radius is very obvious, 1.5, and 1.5 in different terms you can write 3 by 2. So it's square plus h2. So height of cylinder is 8, as we have seen, okay, we have discussed. So plus this is for cone, 2 by 3 pi r square h1. So 2 into 1 by 3 plus pi as it is, again radius same, and h1 that is 2, okay. So if you simplify this thing, so 18 pi plus 3 pi, so 21 pi will come. And now if you put the value of pi, so 21 as it is, and value of pi is 22 by 7, and easily you can cut this 7 with 21, 7 3s are, and 22 3s are 66, and again unit will come centimeter cube, okay. So easily we have solved this question, and this kind of question generally asked in exam. In last video one IMP question I have suggested, and I hope you people have tick out at there, and again I am suggesting this question, okay. Second question is IMP question, this you must know, you have to must repeat and repeat again and again, and this is the answer, 66 centimeter cube, okay. So I hope this both of the answers you people understood, and now in next lecture we will see some upcoming questions from the question number 3rd, 4th and so on. So up to here only I will stop this lecture here. If you have liked this lecture, then hit like button and stay connected with me. Thank you.